Good morning. It's me, Leigh of Victorian Dreams by Leigh. And this morning I have to show you, I don't even know what it is until I open it. It's a nice surprise. It is Blue Vintage Baby Junk Journal Kit that I was gifted from Modernista Print Shop. And I'm doing a series after I show all these videos, the next 8 or 10 videos, then I'm going to do a series of baby stuff because there's like 6 baby images or kits, and this is from Modernista Print Shop. And Blue Vintage Baby Junk Journal. You get 12 double-sided landscape and then 24 portrait. If you watched yesterday, it was beige. Today is blue. Oh my goodness. This is what portrait is. So, and this is what 12 of the double-sided is double. That means there's 2 here on one page, and then this is 1 on portrait. So you get 36 sheets. Last I looked, they were on sale, but make sure you go and look, and I will give the links down below because I think it said it was going off, or it might have already been off. I don't remember. Look at this blue. It is so beautiful. I used to have 2 of these claw tubs in my house in St. Augustine, the oldest city in the United States, and I was in a Victorian house, you know, Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I used to own a gift store named Victorian Dreams, so that's where that name came from. So now let's get back to this. The blue is so pretty with the curtains, and then there's lines here. It looks like it was a receipt of some sort, and then there's paper with blue writing and flowers and white flowers and maybe some cotton. This is just gorgeous. So you get 24. So each of these pictures comes in this size. I only printed the 1 because I know I'm going to do a series of baby stuff, but I'm just not sure how many of this size I needed, so I didn't. So let's talk about this. This is a junk journal page. You score down the middle, you trim the edges, you print on the other side, and there's your page. There's 12 of these. You print on both sides. You can put lines, you can put your own paper, you can put music notes, you can put whatever, or what I do is I print this and then take the last one and print on here. So it's never the same, and you just enjoy it and use it and make a journal for someone that is going to have a baby. They can journal all their notes or their first year being a mom or grandmother. This can go a long, long way. You can put these in cards. You can make Tussie Mussies. You can make banners, an album, with chipboard, heavy-duty album. There's so much you can do with this. So that is a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful work with the blues. And there's quite a bit of beige in this too, so it would have went good with yesterday's. I'll pull out yesterday's in a second and show you if you didn't see it. But here is this page. So see how this is what it would look like, big and little, and then you get this that size too. So I hope you understand that. I think you do. So here is the next page. I just print. I don't put them in order. However this prints on my computer, then I just show you. It has a little bit of a green blue leaf, a lot of flowers, a lot of lace. Very, very pretty. Oh, look at that little girl, I think. Rosy red cheeks with the hat. Is that not so pretty? It's very delicate colors, which is beautiful. It's not real bold in your face because, you know, babies they like the pastel, beautiful colors. Look how pretty that is. I love blue flowers and yellow flowers together. There's a yellow, and she has a yellow kit. She has a purple kit. She has a green kit. Blue, beige, pink. Look how pretty that is. There's so many different kits to choose from. I love that the bathtub has flowers on it. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I always like clocks. You can put clocks in anything. Oh, look how pretty. This would be great for just cards to send. Even though it's blue, there's still little girls could use this too. The lace is beautiful. Look how pretty. I mean, that is just gorgeous. Look at the outfit and all the lace, and look at the collar and the sleeve. Wow. I mean, it is so pretty. Baby's sleeping right there. And then the last page, look at that blue bow. Oh, and the eyes. So that is Blue Vintage Baby. Let's put them out so you can see them. I'm going to also pull out yesterday's beige and see how you could probably coordinate this together. Let's see if it's close by. And it is. And the good thing about the blue beige is it had a little bit that it totally goes together. But here is some just beige, and see how it would go together. So I don't want to get those mixed up, so I'm going to put that back, but I just wanted to show you. And I wanted you to know that all the links are down below, so make sure you go and check this out. I'm not sure if it's on sale, so I don't want to say it is and it not be, but oh my gosh. Anyone having a baby, a grandbaby, a great-grandbaby, you got to get this. Oh my Lord, it's beautiful. The links will be down below. Make sure you follow me because you never know what I'm up to. And I don't always know either. Have a blessed day.